If you're feeling anxiety or anxious about your future, especially financially, your job, what's going to happen with the money that you have currently, then you may want to listen to this video. I'm Landria Onkka, best-selling award-winning author. I have a television movie, all thanks to something I did 6 years ago when we weren't even going through a crisis like this. You see, I was not happy in my career. 85% of the people out there despise their careers, their jobs. There's something seriously wrong with that, and that's the next thing that must change. In fact, thousands of people like myself are making decisions to go after their dreams. In other words, doing something that they love for a living and being rewarded financially for it. That's how we should be living. Yet we hand our power over to businesses that tell us if we even have a job, how much we earn. And then we hand the money that we earn over to people who really don't have control over the markets. Yet we continue this cycle. The cycle is ending. How would you like to create an online business? I quit a 25-year investment banking career, a successful one, because I was tired of what I was doing for a living that didn't feel right anymore, chasing money all the time, and then wondering if it was going to be there when I retired. I got the kind of training because as an investment banker, I knew technology was just going to get bigger and better. And I learned how to create online businesses that I controlled, doing what I loved. And I mitigated my risk by creating multiple income streams. You see, if you lose your job, well, you're out your income. But if one of my income streams doesn't perform very well, I'm still flourishing. And I can respond to what's happening out there. How would you like to learn how to step-by-step create an online business, even if you have no products or services, one that you own, one that you customize to what you truly want to do, how you want to do it, what value you want to bring to the world, and customize that income level. In other words, setting goals and working with a team of people that help you to reach them. That's what I'm offering you today. Not just chasing more money, but getting real skills, knowledge, and education, empowering you so you can start to make those decisions, something that you own that no one can ever take away from you. The online education system that I'm presenting to you today teaches you step by step how do you create an online business, what are the things that you need to know to operate it on your own, but you'll never be alone. Step-by-step modules, trainers, webinars, recorded and live, and an amazing community of people just like you. 85% of the people that despise their jobs, they're coming over to learn these skills to change what they do for a living, to change their lives. We have people that have no products and services learning how to create income, and we also have people that are creating their own businesses, promoting things to the world, creating charities, learning how to do online businesses with coaching, yoga, products and services that are good for the planet. You get to decide, and the instructors will help you to create that. And it's all yours to own and operate with an entire team of trainers, mentors, tech teams. You won't be alone. It's like having your own staff, yet you're learning skills that no one can ever take away from you. Doesn't that sound wonderful? It was for me. When I wrote my best-selling award-winning book, I got a television movie, and I created a YouTube channel and became an influencer, and then continue to create products and services that make a difference on this planet. I get up every morning feeling really good about what I do for a living. I'm so excited, and I can't believe that I get paid for that. Wouldn't you love to live a life like that? We all should. You can work from anywhere in the world when that's possible. As long as you have an internet connection, it's going to give you the freedom and remove that anxiety and worry about your future because now you're going to control it. If you'd like to learn more, click somewhere here on the screen. I'm going to offer you a free workshop series that explains how this works. I'm going to give you a webinar that you're going to love. It's timely, and some bonuses and things for free that you can check out. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's time for us to stop limiting ourselves, living in fear, and holding back. It's time to go after your dreams. Stop listening to the limitations out there, the old world that's not working, and start moving forward and taking control. Get the skills, take control of your income, stop handing it over to other people. It's an amazing feeling. And get the passion back in your life, that smile and that energy. You deserve to live out your dreams. It's time to do it now. If you click somewhere here on the screen or below, you can get the free workshop series. I'll be there to greet you. And if it looks good, we have an offer for you that's risk-free. Thank you for listening. It's time for us to live that amazing new world that awaits everyone. Will you join me? Thank you. Stay safe and blessings to you.